Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to walk through how to create a clean, functional product listing screen using the Ionic Design Kit. Let's get started. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. In the middle, you'll see the layout made with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Feel free to pause this video anytime if you need a closer look at something. Let's talk about the product listing screen, that section where users browse through all your items. It might seem simple, but it plays a huge role in how people interact with your app. It's more than just showing products. It's how you guide users to what they're looking for. That means both the layout and functionality really need to be on point. So how do we pull that off without overbuilding? That's where the Ionic Design Kit comes in. Think of it as a library full of ready-to-use building blocks, all aligned with the Ionic framework. Designers can quickly plug in product cards, grids, and filters without starting from scratch. And for developers, it means cleaner implementation, since the UI components are already mapped to code-friendly versions. Bottom line, you save time, stay consistent, and build a better user experience with way less friction. Remember, you can find all the code snippets over on our website, so you're never left hanging. Looking to level up your Ionic workflow? Start building smarter with the Ionic Design Kit. It makes clean design and smooth development a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, feel free to share it around and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next video.